if you are lucky enough to have cash at this moment, of course, you can deploy cash when the markets fall. But most of the time investors don't have, because your portfolio has also gone down. But this is a time when you should make sure that even if you're in loss making, try to build the right portfolio for the future. Forget about what mistakes you have done in the past. This is a time to sort of realign your portfolio for the future.
Lot of the disappointments we have seen is also in the construction, the cap goods, maybe some of the railway defense names also, because the orders did not flow through as expected. So and this was some of the hottest sectors to kind of to bet on for the longer term. They still are in the long term. Growth story is intact, but over 6 months when there were very few orders coming in, probably we are seeing earnings getting postponed rather than downgraded forever. So that's one of the big reasons. But going forward, it does look like at the Nifty level, 10% earnings growth for the next couple of years is quite perfectly doable.
In terms of market sentiment, it's pretty weak. So it's something which has historically always led to some kind of a pullback. And I would suspect that there could be one coming. I do not know, and the tough part will be, is this something which is going to be powerful enough to take to new highs? I think that's a more difficult call to take. However, from our perspective, the way we look at things, a short-term rally is something which should be our base case right now. In fact, if you were to gun to my head, if I have to choose one, I would say maybe a rally, but not really going to all-time highs, and then maybe more range-bound or corrective action.
So interestingly, we have started getting incoming on India from long-only investors, and most of them are the sticky investor side, like pensions and insurances of the world. Kind of the value has emerged, which broad index is still not showing you, but at a single stocks level, sector level, it has becoming quite attractive enough. That's where foreign investors have started questioning. Maybe we are a few weeks or a month away where markets will find its trough, and even foreign investors will start looking market back again. The pivot or tilt that has made on the consumption side, that will again get the belief of foreign investor back that India is again supporting the consumption story. Knowing that into account, once the dust settles, people will make a comeback again in the same old spaces like financials, IT, and your consumer. Large cap as a bucket, you will see, is more biased, or you can say more heavyweights on this particular three sector.
All right, on that note, we are totally out of time.